Email pop-up invites prospects to share their emails in exchange for some bonus, whether a discount or a gift. This pop-up can do a lot for your conversions. Ebook as a lead magnet shows a 7.49% conversion rate. Welcome discount brings a 7.65% conversion rate. And lead magnet increases your sign-up rate by 2 times. Stay tuned and learn how to create an email pop-up in a few minutes. Let's go to your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free in a few clicks. Click on the New Widget button and select the Template Library option. Now we see a variety of Claspo's ready-made templates. But we need an email pop-up. So let's choose the pop-up layout and the Collect Email Addresses use case. This template looks good. Let's use it. Here you can fully customize your layout. Align inner elements. Replace the image. And change the text of your message. In preview mode, you can check how your pop-up looks. Let's also check the display on the mobile screen. Looks great enough to save our pop-up. All you have to do next is set up a pop-up and embed it on your website. Our following video guide will help you cope with it easily. Now let's see how your email pop-up looks on the website. We did it! If you want to create your unique pop-up just as quickly and easily, go to Claspo and start right now.